Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I try and help you guys out with how to complete those everyday tasks and jobs that we all come across in our lives. This week I had to replace the wiper blades on my car. A pretty common thing to come across, but probably not something everyone instantly knows how to do. Wiper blades are consumable items on your car. They are going to degrade over time and need replacing. For reference here, these have done around 30,000 miles in a relatively wet UK. So you might have to replace them every 3 years or so, but it certainly doesn't have to be a major or expensive job. Hopefully by the end of this video you should know how to check for damage on your wiper blades, select the correct replacements, and quickly and easily fit them yourself to return your windscreen wipers back to perfect working order. If you do find it useful, a like really helps my channel. So without further ado, let's get into it. In my mind, there are three telltale signs of wearing wiper blades. Number one, they start to shudder across your windscreen rather than passing smoothly. Number two, there's a loud clicking noise at the points where the blades stop and change direction. And three, they're not clearing the water properly and leaving smear marks instead of a clean and clear windscreen. As you can see here, I was suffering from the latter two of those, which was leaving me with a smeared windscreen and a very annoying clicking sound. So the first thing to do is to take a closer look at where the rubber part of the blade attaches to the metal or plastic arm. If that starts to come away, then you're going to start experiencing some of the symptoms I mentioned previously. And look, it's very obvious that there's some separation with mine here. Both blades have some significant degradation and will need replacing. Now, the only place you can go wrong in this whole process is to buy blades with the wrong connection for your car. The push to release clip here is very common, but please do double check before buying. Right then, a package has arrived that looks suspiciously like it could be my replacement wiper blades. So let's get it open and see what you get. As expected, we have one longer, one shorter blade to replace both on the front windscreen. I'm not sure if Trico or Neoform are respected names in the wiper blade world, but they were 50% off, so got the nod from me. If I'm replacing them again in 6 months' time, then I'll know to go for the Bosch ones instead. But for £11, I thought I'd give them a go. Do let me and the other viewers know in the comments below your experience with different brands. It'll really help everyone get a good experience. Let's get into one of these plastic sleeves and take a closer look. The connection looks to be a slide and clip sort of mechanism, which is what I was expecting. And looking at the user guide, if you will, the diagram in image 2 certainly looks like the connection type I was hoping for, so we should be good to go and get these on the car. Now then, I'm hopefully going to demonstrate how easy these are to remove and replace by doing it one-handed while I film with the other hand. There we go, slides off no problem at all, and even easy with both hands. Let's take the second one off. Now I've noticed that they come with a protected plastic sleeve over the rubber part of the blade to protect the most delicate part, which is good to see. But we'll have to remember to remove these once we get them attached. In a very similar way to the old ones coming off, the new blades can simply be slid into the connection. Listen out for that click to tell us that they're in securely. Let's remove and throw away the protective sleeves before replacing the wiper arms back down onto the windscreen. And there you have it, brand new blades in a matter of minutes. I can already hear that clicking noise has gone, and the windscreen looks so much cleaner already and free from those greasy smear marks, so that's really good. Thanks as always for watching the full video. Please like and subscribe, it really does help me out. Check out my other videos. Have a great day.